Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Hubstaff from your computer, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Hubstaff from your computer, begin by closing the Hubstaff application if it is running. Look for the Hubstaff icon in your system tray, usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click the Hubstaff icon and select Quit or Exit to close the application completely. Next, navigate to the Start menu on your Windows computer. Type Control Panel in the search bar and press Enter. Once in the Control Panel, click on Programs or Programs and Features. Locate Hubstaff in the list of installed programs. Click on Hubstaff to highlight it. Then, click the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Follow the prompts in the Uninstallation wizard to complete the process. If you are using a Mac, start by closing the Hubstaff application from the dock. Open Finder and go to the Applications folder. Locate the Hubstaff application within the Applications folder. Drag the Hubstaff application to the trash bin, or right-click and select Move to Trash. To completely remove Hubstaff, clear the trash by right-clicking on the trash bin and selecting Empty Trash. In some cases, residual files may remain. To find these files, open Finder and select Go from the top menu, then go to Folder. Type in /library and press Enter. Look in the folders named Application Support, Caches, and Preferences for any Hubstaff-related files. Delete any Hubstaff files you find in these folders. After completing these steps, Hubstaff should be fully uninstalled from your computer. You may want to restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.